Guys, welcome to another unboxing. This is a different one. So I ordered some LP inner sleeves which are supposedly anti-static and got it from Banggood because AliExpress is not shipping these days. So let me just try to open. Need to be careful. I don't want to damage the sleeves. Yeah. So we are inside it. The sleeves are of really nice quality, but there is a deep crease in the middle. So hopefully this won't impact in any manner. This was around 1500 rupees and it's a set of 100 sleeves. Yeah. Overall, I would say a very nice quality of sleeve they have given. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.